Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We have a real color story going this week of the muted maroony red colors. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. We have 3 collections this week, and one of them is exclusive art, which I'm really excited about. I actually didn't have plans to release it for a while, but it just kind of worked out this week that I had a spot, so I was like, what the heck, let's do it. I have 2 foil bundles for you guys, and then the 10 doodles as normal. I am ready to show you guys. All of these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and also don't forget to check out our flash sale. I will be changing that probably with next week's new releases, so this will be the last release if you want to purchase anything from that flash sale. And right now it is 50% off of the tiny confetti, which is 2 different listings, and it's a really nice staple to have. So definitely check those out. But let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So again, like I said, we do have 10 doodles for you guys. So this one here, we have the Tower of Terror and the Tree of Life icons. So that kind of continues on the last 2 icons from last week. And then we also have the monorail symbol. And then we have some wax melts. These have been featured on Fantasy Wax Melt freebies, but these are super dang cute. I think it's my favorite wax melt sticker ever, and I just think they're perfect. And then you have the above, which have also, like the above wax melt, the flat lay. These have also been on Fantasy Wax Melt releases, but they were like decorated, but these are super cute as well. And then you also have the snap bars, and then the wax warmers, so like the happy wax looking ones. And then also some waffles, super cute, will match all spreads. And then Walmart bags, so this one is the first one. I did 4 different color blues, and this is like the plastic bag, and then this is the reusable bag of Walmart. So those are the 10 doodles for this week. I do have some Halloween ones planned. Those should be out in about, I think, 3 weeks, but lots of doodles to come, of course. And then let's go ahead and get into the foil bundles for this week. If you guys watched or got July's mystery kit, you will have noticed we do have a fall foil bundle. I will have extras of those in the shop soon. I don't think I put those up already. No, I think I'm putting those up next week, I believe. And we will have the matte samplers, not next week, but the week after. I have planned to put those up. And we do have extras of the matte samplers as well to put up with those. But I do have silver and gold in this fall foil, which these will be the colors we have for the fall foil bundle this year. So here is the full boxes. It's easiest to see in silver, but I also do have it available in gold. So here is the silver. So you do get the page with the 6 full boxes along with the headers. You get 2 of those. You do get the 2 pages of bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and then the 15mm strip overlays. Very universal. Perfect for fall. Will go along with a lot of the kits this week as well. Kits that came out already and kits that are going to be coming out in the future. Let's go through the kits for this week. Again, I do have 3. They all do come in Ultimate and Mini. Let's go through the exclusive art first because I'm super excited about it. This art was intended to be like my 30th birthday art, which is going to be in April. It is a custom by Darcy, who I wanted specifically to do this because she also shares the love with me. And I'm just so excited about how this kit turned out. I don't even know, like, it's just so beautiful. And so I had a couple spots of customs with Darcy, and I just knew I needed to use one of them for this because it was just my dream, her dream, and it's so beautiful. So this is Labyrinth, and it's my favorite movie of all time. Ever since I was probably like 4 years old, so when I started watching Labyrinth, The Dark Crystal, Fraggle Rock. I just love Jim Henson and everything, and it's just such a vibe. I make everybody I know watch it, and not everybody loves it, but it's just my favorite movie of all time. So I knew, since Darcy also loves the Labyrinth, that a kit needs to happen. She was super pumped. I was super pumped, and I just think it turned out beautiful. I am going to be using this for my 30th birthday, and I feel like everybody who knows me is also going to use this for my 30th birthday, and I think that that's going to make it very special. So you have a lot of different elements from the movie. There's so many more things I wanted to put in. I messaged Darcy, the mood board, and I was like, I know it was so hard to like narrow it down because I also love so many different scenes, so many different other characters. I was like, Hoggle would have been cute and Helping Hands, but like I just tried to narrow it down, and I think it turned out so cute, especially just like it's also beautiful. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up. If you guys haven't watched this movie, it is from, hear the airplane? It's from the 80s. It has Jennifer Connelly and David Bowie in it, and it is just such a classic. Definitely not for everyone, but it's a vibe. If you haven't watched it, just try it. Just try it for me. Just try it for me. It's not that long. It's a good movie. So I think that this would also be like a really good fall kit as well, or spring. It's anytime. It's basically anytime. Or if you're watching the movie for the first time, you have the knockers over here. And I thought that'd be cute to do, like if you're doing like a double box for this, to put them on the inside. Adorable. I love the colors. It's very like dusty vintage colors, like with the denim and then like the mauve tones. I am just so obsessed. I'm so happy that I had Darcy do this because I just feel like she has the same love as I do, and I love this bottom washi. I think it's perfect. I don't even know if I will split the bottom washi for this because I just love it. And then you have the little goblin over here with like the wall background. I just can't. And then you do have the clear with black script freebie, but I'm just, if anybody else shares the love, let me know in the comments down below. It's probably one of my favorite kits of all time just because I love The Labyrinth. It's my favorite movie, and I'm so excited. I normally don't do birthday kits specifically for myself. I normally just use something that has either come out that an artist release or something that like I just like a lot. But this one is my 30th birthday. We're going all in. 15mm strip and label sampler if you want to add it on. So that is The Labyrinth. Then we have some fall kits, which I know y'all are pumped for. So let's go ahead and get into those. So first things first, we have pumpkin season. I have sneaked on Instagram and y'all seem pretty excited about it. I'm excited that there's more fall art coming out. I feel like summer there wasn't a ton, but I'm just like excited to see all of the fall vibes coming through with the pumpkins, the cozy outfits, the treats. It's just so pretty. You have the extra boxes over here, which is a little fashion flat lay, and then this super cute little, what is it called? A wheelbarrow with pumpkins in it. These colors are really pretty. You have this like, it's like a charcoal color, and then this, it's like a dusty mustard. It doesn't sound too appealing, or maybe like a camo color, but it's a really nice combo. I love it, and I think it's super pretty. I feel like you could find a lot of like Simply Gilded washi colors that'll match that really nice. And then the extra box here comes in with an extra skin tone for this box, and then also another fashion option here as well. That freebie is also in the mini kit, and then we do also have add-on options for this, so I'll go ahead and go through this. So you have the ultimate kit, there's the mini kit, there is the 15mm strip, there is the label sampler, and then also the fashion options, which are super cute. Okay, and then let's go into the last kit, which this is called Hello Fall. I think this is a really pretty kit. It almost leans a little like romantic to me because of the, I think string lights just gives me like romantic vibes for some reason. Anytime I see string lights, I'm like, ooh, that's cozy and kind of like cuddly. So this is Hello Fall. It has a lot of really nice pink tones in it, and you have a lot of just cozy elements and just, I don't know, it's just like really pretty and kind of just chic. Extra full boxes, you have a sewing machine, and then this really cute like wall hanging with the moon and the leaves. Again, these colors are really pretty. You have like two pink tones, and then this really nice like chocolate brown with, I guess this would be like a burnt orange. Super beautiful. And I just get romantic vibes from this for some reason. Just like cozy romantic vibes. And then the extra boxes here, you do have a hand holding a leaf along with these super cute like Doc Martens, like pink Doc Martens with the leaves inside of it. So that is Hello Fall. It also does come in a mini kit, of course. And then there is add-on options. So let me show you guys those. So there is the ultimate kit, the mini kit. You have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is the label sampler if you want to add that on. And then there's also the fashion girls, which are so beautiful. So beautiful. I love them so much. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Kirsten's currently working on D-stash boxes, so I'm hoping within the next month or so I will be able to get another D-stash day going. I have her doing more this time, and we do have, I think, 5 varieties of different like ones. You know how last time we did, you know, not just a D-stash box, we did like 5 or I think we did 6 last time. I think we're doing 5 this time, but I'm having her do more. So that'll be coming within like a month or so. Also, mystery will be shipping in about 2 weeks. So you guys have that to look forward to. I'm still putting up 5 videos a week. You have that to look forward to. And that is everything for this week. These releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Don't forget to check out that flash sale because it will be changing next week. I am not sure what I'm doing, but I think whatever I'm doing is going to be like epic. I have 2 choices and they're epic. So stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.